feel guilty for being normal after a loss? The waves of grief can crash over you, leaving you breathless and lost. But it's okay to feel moments of peace and normalcy. It's not betrayal, it's healing. Your loved one wouldn't want you to drown in sorrow. They'd want to see you smile again. Every moment of normalcy is a testament to your resilience and strength. You deserve to feel joy, to laugh, to live fully, just as your loved one would wish for you. Embrace these moments of light. They are a part of your journey back to yourself.